Hi there, my name is Alex Payne and I'm the Master Distributor of Winkore. I'm happy to take the next few minutes to share some great information with you that is changing the way people earn money online, and now you'll have a chance to do the same. As you know, being first has many advantages for the people who take action. And right now we are in the pre-launch phase, which means that just for the fact that you're watching this video, this can place you ahead of thousands, if not millions of people that will come after you do. Winkore has developed an unprecedented technology to remove the barriers between people and bring them closer together around a common purpose, which is to create wealth and transform lives around the world. With Winkore, you'll have a chance to be one of the first people to position yourself in an innovative business model that is fast, secure, and most profitable in the market today. There are two ways that you can win with Winkore: as a customer, becoming a user of our products, and as an affiliate, promoting our business model. As a customer, you will get access to products and services that will help you earn money from anywhere in the world in the financial market through a simple method we call one-click profit. The name says it all. With our products, you'll not waste months of your precious time trying to learn how to trade profitably or to become an expert. We will do the hard work for you through our professional analysis, and all you have to do is click a button. Here you have full control of your capital and the decision making when it comes to what trades you want to place. I guarantee you that this is the simplest way for anyone to earn money without previous knowledge or experience in the financial market. And this is how you will win as a customer. Now, as an affiliate, you will win experiencing the first ever hybrid binary system that pays instant commissions to all our affiliates. This is creating a movement in our community and is establishing a better way of doing business around the world. And in a few minutes, you'll understand how. We have 4 packages you can choose from. Each package will give you access to different products, and it will also unlock more ways for you to earn as an affiliate. With Winkore, every customer is also an affiliate, and one of the bonuses will allow even a customer to earn money without selling or recruiting anyone. With Winkore, everyone wins, and here is how. You can choose to become a Winkore member by choosing one of our 4 packs: the Member Pack, the Affiliate Pack, the Business Pack, and the Elite Pack. Our Member Pack, which is valued at $50, includes full access to our Wink Club, where you can consume exclusive products and services, 30 days of our binary signals, and a position in our binary tree. Please refer to our PDF for a full detailed information of each of the products. Our Affiliate Pack, which is valued at $100, includes full access to our Wink Club, 30 days of our binary signals, 30 days of our Forex signals, and access to a Zillow for 6 months, which is our sales funnel tool. Our Business Pack, which is valued at $250, includes 30 days of binary signals, 30 days of Forex, 30 days of sports signals, and access to 12 months of a Zillow. And our Elite Pack, which is valued at $500, includes 30 days of binaries, 30 days of Forex, 30 days of sports, 12 months of a Zillow, and 12 months of InSync, which is our hands-free product that mirrors the performance of our traders in your account, where you control your money and have access to it any time you want. As you can see, our products don't only have amazing quality, but it's also super affordable. This makes it simple to promote and earn money as an affiliate with our aggressive compensation plan. And here is how our innovative compensation plan works. Keep in mind that all commissions are paid in real time and direct to your digital wallet. This way, you never have to wait or request for your commissions, and the company never owes anyone money. Here are the 6 ways you will earn commissions with Winkore. First is the Quick Start bonus. You earn 20% commissions of the amount of the package you directly refer, with the exception of the Member Pack, where you only earn 10% commissions, and there's no earning limits. The second bonus is our Mix 2 bonus. You earn $1 per person in our Force Matrix up to 15 levels. Our system will look for the next available position in the matrix to be filled automatically from the left to right, giving priority to registration times and direct sponsorship. You can generate more than $65,000 per month with this bonus alone. And this is the bonus that a customer can earn money without selling or recruiting anyone, because anytime the system positions a person under him that was referred by his sponsor or someone in his organization, he will make $1. And this is done in 15 levels. I hope you can see how powerful this bonus is, that even as a customer, you can earn commissions on sales that are made in your organization. The third bonus comes from the first ever hybrid intelligent binary system that pays instant commissions. You can earn up to 11% of the volume of your smaller leg without earning limits, in unlimited levels, without package repurchase, without locks, and without the need to qualify. The percentage is based on the package you purchased. The Member Pack does not pay binary commissions, but it accumulates points in 6 generations. The affiliate pack pays 8% of the volume of your smaller leg up to 6 generations, and I'll explain to you what generations mean in just a little bit. The business pack pays 9% in up to 8 generations, and the elite pack pays 11% in up to 10 generations. Now, what are the generations? Our binary tree works like any binary structure. When you refer people, you can place them on the left or on the right side, and the system will pay a percentage of the volume of your smaller leg. Your first generation are all the users who are placed on your left or right leg, regardless of whether they are your direct or not. They can be at level 1 or infinity, it does not matter. They will always be your first generation. Your second generation are all the users who are placed within your first generation. In this example, all golds are your second generations to unlimited levels. The third generation are all users who are placed inside your second generation. In this example, all bronze are your third generation to unlimited levels. And this continues on, making a zigzag shape, forming the generations and always paying people based on the package they purchased. This system makes a binary structure 100% sustainable, even paying unlimited levels. The fourth bonus is our Win Club. After 30 days from their initial activation, people can choose to continue to consume any service they would like to. And when someone in your organization buys products and pays for it on a monthly basis, you earn points in your binary structure. As an example, when people pay $59 for our binary signals, it generates 30 points that are paid in your binary structure. Here, 1 point equals $1. This can be very lucrative since there are no limits in levels, and depending on your pack, you can earn up to 11% in 10 generations. All of this is done instantly. As soon as people pay for their product, you will earn the commission straight to your digital wallet. The fifth is our monthly bonus. You can earn more than $65,000 per month automatically from your Mix 2 structure, which is our forced matrix. All members who are actively commissioning pay a maintenance fee of $20 that will be automatically deducted every first of the month from the commission earned, and this will be paid in the matrix 15 levels deep. In other words, the only people that will pay $20 maintenance fee are people who are making money. And if they make money, they will continue to promote generating more commissions for them as well as you. Our sixth and final bonus is our Win Diamond Career Bonus. We want to go above and beyond for people who embrace our vision and who would want to make Winkore their home for a very long time. Here you earn bonuses every time you move up a rank based on the amount of money you've earned in commissions. The way it works is, the first month you generate a certain amount that qualifies you for that rank. The second month, if you generate the same amount or more, you earn a commission based on the rank that you qualified for. As you move up in rank, in our career plan, you will receive bonuses and prizes that will be paid straight to your wallet. By now you can see that this is the best compensation plan on the market today. That's very aggressive, but that's 100% sustainable, paying instant commissions to all its affiliates and without the company ever owing anyone money. With Winkore, everyone wins, the people who consume our products and those who promote our products. The movement has already begun. Now it's your time to make a decision to join us. Click the button below this video to get started right away, because now it's your time to win.